Hi, I'm Doug Munhan, Application Specialist at Design Fusion. In this video, we'll look at creating an arc welding operation quickly in Siemens Process Simulate 2512. This updated version features enhanced weld seam visualization along with external axis control. So here we are in Process Simulate. We have our FANUC ArcMate robot and a positioner which the workpiece is attached to. And to create our welding operation, first thing, I'll click Continuous Process Generator. It'll be an arc type process. Base set, I'll select this face, and the side set, I'll select all these faces. Okay. Now they're all selected. Specify my welding parameters. So I want to make this a skip welding operation. So I'm going to specify the length and spacing. There's a couple other methods you could use. So the segment length is going to be 10 millimeters and the spacing will be 30 millimeters. And we're also going to project in one step. I'll hit OK. And there we are. There are the weld points. And this is our welding operation. So I'll try to run the operation and we'll see what happens. So I'll set it as my current operation. See here, all the welding. So go ahead and click play. We can see welds are being created until the robot stops, and it stops because it can't get from this point to the next point. And this is why we have the positioner. So I'll reset the operation. I'll make sure the operation is selected. Then I'll go to arc continuous positioning. Click there. And our positioner is already selected. Normal vector and movement vector are what we want. Go ahead and click apply. And now all of our positioner values have been created, and we can see that if we come to the path editor, add the operation, and then go here. Now we can see for each point the joints of the positioner now have values, when before it would have been 0. So I'll show you what that looks like. So we back up and we click play. So now we can see the positioner is working in tandem with the robot to position the part such that the weld is done at the best possible angle for the best possible weld. And it's really just that easy. That took me not very much time at all, less than 4 minutes, and I have the robot code that can be exported to the robot on the floor. And Process Simulate allowed me to, foresee any errors, fix any things without having to do any physical testing. So, this shortens your time to market, reduces production risks, so you can increase quality and improve efficiency. So I hope you enjoyed this video. To learn more about Process Simulate or other Tecnomatix solutions, you can contact us using the information shown here.